Let's learn about some sick welded monuments that you'll find in the US. What's up, it's Jersey, it's your Daily Dose of D. Let's get into it. First, we have the Grand Canyon Skywall, constructed of carbon steel, and they use sub-arc to weld it, and it can support 70,000 pounds. Next one's the St. Louis Arch. That big shiny arch, if you've never seen it, you should. So the inner core is carbon steel, the outer core is stainless steel. They did all butt welds and they used MIG. Then they polished that bad boy up. Next one a lot of people have probably seen is that beam in Chicago, actually called the Millennium Park Cloud Gate. Then there's Yankee Stadium with 39 zinc coated steel sections. 14,000 tons of steel were used, 18,000 pounds of weld rods. That's one I think is cool is the Detroit Windsor Tunnel. It's 12 miles of weld work going between Detroit and Windsor in Canada, and it's underwater.